And welcome back.
We're back. First of all, congratulations to Regina King for winning. I just want to remind everybody that Jeff Daniels thanked his horse. You know, as a black comedian for so many years, our TV legends and heroes have gone unrecognized, you know? So this year as host, I took it upon myself to finally right some of those wrongs. I present the Reparations EMMYS. Excuse me, Miss Marla Gibbs?
Yes?
We would like to present to you this Reparations EMMY.
Well,
Your role as Florence the Maid is the reason why I got fired from every service job I've ever had.
well, thank you. I think.
Is this the real Emmy?
Yes, the real thing. What do you think?
I cannot believe this. I just got one word for this thing.
Well, say it.
It is dynamic.
The Dean Hardison.
What up, Jay?
Man, your character is Dwayne Wayne on a different world. I don't think you realize how many young brothers you actually inspired to go to college.
Well, I'm glad you went to college, bro. It's beautiful.
Yeah, because I went to college. Man, Jaleel, Steve Urkel was the OG black man. I mean, if it wasn't for you, there'd be no Donald Glover. There'd be no Kanye West. There'd be no Obama.
Did I do that?
Yeah, man. You did. This is for your amazing work on Martin, on Everybody Hates Chris, and for being pound for pound the best sitcom actress I have ever seen.
So the Academy just gave this to you?
Let's just say I stole it from Bill Cosby.
You what? You know nobody from The Wire running in?
I know, and Bryan Cranston won like 6 for Breaking Bad.
Wait, Bryan Cranston got 6 in these? He just averaged that like 10 in.
Anybody from The Wire is better than Bryan Cranston.
You know he only won because he's white, right?
Absolutely.
The only reason he won. If he was black, he probably bagging groceries at Trader Joe's for him.
Mr. John Witherspoon, I present to you this Reparations Emmy. That's for your lifetime of work on television. You're a legend, and it's about time you got recognized.
Man,
I want to enjoy that.
1968, I spy. No. I can't have this in my house.
It's Reparations Emmy. It's for you.
Reparation is not for Emmy. It's for 48 millimeters.
I don't have 48 minute views.
Well, get me 40 views in the acre. I'll take that.
If we did this as well, it wasn't really about the awards, you know what I mean? It was for the people.
You don't want it?
No, I'm gonna keep this for sure. I'll find something to do with this.
Look it out, brother.
Who are you now? Who are you?
I'm Michael Che. I do the news on TV.
Like Trevor Noah? You know him?
Well, I'm glad you got to Emmy, man.
Hey, young fella. Put that funny hat on like you Mr. Big Shot. You ain't played baseball in your life. No, man.
That was pretty cool. Don't you agree?
Here are the